Hello my loves, it's Casey Brim and oh my god, do I have some lashes to show you today. I'm going out for drinks with the girls, so I want to bump up the eyes a little bit more with a little more dense lash. I'm going to take the to the point style too because they're a little bit more, you know, a little dark, little black, little flirty, a little bit of a nighttime moment. I'm going to take the Quick Flick Perfect Wing Liner Stamp in the to the point style and I'm going to make myself some little wings and then apply these lashes. Now that my to the point eyeliner is on, by the way, I love this style. It is just such a modern, nice, crisp, cut, straight wing. It's a vibe. I'll trim down my to the point style 2 lashes ready to apply. This time taking my black adhesive liner, I'm going to place that over the top of where I'm going to be sticking my lash and on top of the liner. What I love about the black one is that it is so dark. Once that's dry, I'm just going to stick down the new lash. Look at that, perfect on one go. It works. Wait 30 seconds, a lash applicator. I love that this kind of gives you like a million chances just in case you stuff it up, or if you're prone to messing up where you place the lashes, you can re-stick as many times as you like. Then if you want to blend through with your natural lashes, you can use the little comb side to brush them through and fluff them up, and voila, these lashes ain't going anywhere. This lash adhesive liner just changes the way I put on my lashes and just makes it so much easier than it's ever been before in my life. As someone who's not very good at applying falsies and opts not to, I'm gonna want to all the time now because it just makes it so much easier. And I mean, look at them. They look so damn good. Cannot wait to play around with all the different styles. They are gorgeous and I hope you guys enjoy them as well. Bye.